Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to do a winter / Christmas tablescape for you. I will try to leave links for all the materials below. I got a lot of things from, well, not a whole lot, but I got some things from Joann Fabric, so I may not be able to link those items. But we're gonna just go ahead and get started. For this arrangement here in the center, I created this last year as a DIY. I created a centerpiece with it. So I just end up just using a floral arrangement here in the center. You probably noticed the two place settings at the end. You probably noticed how they are different. I did not have enough of these snowflake plates that you see here. So I just used plain white plates. And so since I didn't have enough plates, I end up using the sequin napkins to kind of spice those two up a little. And then also you probably will notice the ends, they had blue placemats. Again, I did not have enough of the snowflake placemats. That's why I end up using like this ice blue, shiny or glittery looking ice blue placemat. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned because I'm going to show you this beautiful winter backdrop that I created. So that will be coming up next. So until I see you next time, bye.